Human beings struggle in intimate relationships and families because the brain was never designed for the kind of complex social life we live today. We depend on our family and social group to tell us who we are and where we stand. But the information we exchange with each other is disorganized, emotional, and filtered through brains that each work differently. No one fully understands anyone else, and this creates conflict inside families long before anything bad happens. The brain tries to simplify these conflicts by giving one person more authority, because authoritarian shortcuts are easier than slow democratic thinking, yet the slow democratic process is the only one that produces long-term solutions. At work, people function inside authoritarian structures where choice is limited and orders come from above. That mentality gets carried home. Instead of entering a free, cooperative environment, many people reproduce the same top-down pressure they lived under all day. Home life becomes a miniature authoritarian system where someone gives orders and others are expected to obey. This destroys the freedom that families need to function. Memory makes this harder. Visual memory is stronger than abstract memory, so people remember where they put things and get frustrated when someone moves them. When two people with different organizational habits live together, especially someone shaped by authoritarian or military-style upbringing, they clash. One expects strict order and discipline, the other expects freedom. The authoritarian style spreads anywhere military structures, government power, and wealthy insulated communities dominate. Society becomes split between a large group that wants freedom and democracy and a small authoritarian group living in abundance, protected by corporate power. Political parties do not reflect rational thinking but emotional alignment. Authoritarian personalities gravitate toward authoritarian leaders, while others try to defend what freedom remains. Feelings, not knowledge, drive the split. Authoritarians promise freedom but deliver obedience. This is the core lie of fascism, promising to make people free while making them more controllable. Progressives argue that democracy must be strengthened so corporations can be regulated. But corporate propaganda distracts people with scapegoats. Psychopathic and sociopathic operators run media campaigns to enrich themselves, not to inform the public. Democracy is not getting your way. Democracy is a philosophy of life that requires rationality, education, responsibility, and pressure on government to regulate power fairly. Without democratic knowledge, institutions, and accountability, society collapses into tyranny. Without democratic habits at home, families collapse into conflict. The only way to create freedom at home or nationally is to spread democratic thinking, resist authoritarian shortcuts, and insist on shared responsibility for the future.